gonna talk?
Guys, I'm doing a construction update on Coast Rider, Surfside Glider, and Pacific Scrambler. Coast Rider, the station is actually right about there, right there, and then Pacific Scrambler is gonna be a ride that's come back where Pony Express used to be. It's gonna be far back more. And Surfside Glider is gonna be like a 28-foot wind seeker. So yeah, I'm gonna give you more construction updates later. So it's for construction update for SoCal West Productions.